Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the Pulse Elite has enough charge and your phone's Bluetooth is active. This avoids interruptions during pairing. Once ready, power on the headset and press and hold power plus volume up for about 3 to 4 seconds so the unit enters pairing mode. You'll know it's listening when the LED flashes blue. At that point, open your phone's Bluetooth list and search for Pulse Elite to initiate a connection. Now you select Pulse Elite from the available devices on your phone or tablet. Tapping it sends the pairing request. If a passkey appears, accept or enter 0000. Most headsets use this default, so both devices trust each other. Once paired, the phone usually shows a connected status. Make sure to play a short clip so you can confirm audio routing. If audio doesn't play immediately, finish by setting Pulse Elite as the default device for both calls and media so audio switches automatically. This prevents manual switching later. If pairing fails, forget the headset on your phone and repeat the pairing sequence. This clears stale profiles that block connections. As a last resort, reset the headset by holding power for 10 seconds to restore factory settings, then retry pairing. This removes persistent glitches and usually solves the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.